Whenever you are told that you need interior fuse box from your Mitsubishi Eclipse, and I'm talking 2007 through 2012 Mitsubishi Eclipse, most likely you don't need interior fuse box, but you need ETEX computer, this part. See, it says ETEX. And it is very confusing because those two parts can be separated. And if you're asking for interior fuse box, you will get just interior fuse box. And about this one computer, a lot of places don't know that it's even existent. So make sure that you're looking mainly for this one. And fuse box, you may need or you may not need. Up till now, I didn't figure out, can you separate them? Dealers sell them separated, but like I said, I cannot figure out what works. But the ETEX modules we sold separately without fuse boxes, didn't get returned, so I'm assuming that you can use it just by itself. And it is located on driver's side, and I'll show you where. This is our Eclipse. It's completely disassembled, but it's pretty much under the dash right over here.